Good day.
Good day, ma'am, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Grace Tamayo, 43 years old, married. I have 2 daughters, and I have 3 brothers and 6 sisters. I am the youngest in the family.
Okay. Do you have experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I worked in Singapore before.
Okay. What are your main duties in your previous employer?
My main duties is to look after the children, 3 months old and 5 years old, doing household works like cooking, washing, and marketing.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I choose to work in Hong Kong because of the salary is high, and also I want to save it for my future family.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook steamed food, fry vegetables, and also willing to learn more.
Okay. If your employer has a small baby and required to look after him while sleeping, how will you manage your housework?
I will let the baby sleep first, then after that, I will doing my housework, and also I will check the baby time to time, ma'am.
Okay. What can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them the good manners, speak English and write also, ma'am.
Okay. What will you do if the baby has a fever?
I will check the temperature of the baby, and if still have a fever, I will inform my employer, ma'am.
Okay. What will you do if the baby is crying?
I will check the baby if he is hungry or his diaper is full.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song and can you give an example?
Yes, ma'am. I can sing, ma'am. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
All right. What do you expect from your work in Hong Kong?
I know it's hard, but I will focus on my work.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
How can you control your homesick?
I can control my homesick like by keep myself doing busy in my work, and also sometimes I will call my family.
Do you have special skills?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to drive motorcycle.
Okay. What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am honest, obedient, and hardworking, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
To my future employer, if you hire me as your domestic helper, I will do everything to make your family happy and to serve your family. Look after your children, ma'am. Thank you.